So my parents are both chemists, so I was the renegade in the family because I became a physicist. I had the good fortune to work with a person named Chuck Mastretta, who at the time was really the preeminent imaging scientist in the world. I'm grateful to my family, I'm grateful to my advisor, and these strongly influenced sort of who I became in my career.
James Dobbins is a Duke professor of radiology, biomedical engineering, and physics. His extensive research career focuses on the application of physics to medicine.
I really wanted to do something that impacted humanity and impacted society in a very tangible way. After hearing a seminar that talked about this new field of medical imaging, and I realized that there was a chance to use physics in a way that directly impacted on something as impactful as medicine. And I thought, that's it. That's what I want to do. And I fell in love with the idea of building this bridge between the physical sciences and medicine. So we, as medical physicists, have really invented a lot of the things that sort of define a lot of what is modern medicine.
Dobbins' projects include theoretical mathematical projects, the invention of new imaging devices, and the implementation of new imaging modalities. Dobbins' research has contributed to the development of several commercial imaging devices that are now used in hundreds of hospitals across the globe.
When I was in graduate school, a fellow graduate student of mine left after he graduated and became a faculty member at Duke. My friend did me a good favor and introduced me to the chair of radiology at the time. And so I had the opportunity to become a faculty member at a top 10 university like Duke. I also very much have a passion for leadership. So the first opportunity of that came in the second chapter of my career, which was building a new graduate program at Duke in a field called medical physics. And I was the founding director and ran this program for about a decade. So I really appreciated the opportunity to be involved in leadership at Duke for something that was going to benefit both our faculty, our students, and our academic mission.
After his work in academic medicine and graduate education leadership, he moved into senior university administration as Associate Vice Provost for Duke Kunshan University programs, Duke's joint venture university in Kunshan, China.
So I had the chance to go and be part of the small team that built this new university from scratch, Duke Kunshan University, or DKU.
In this role, Dobbins helps establish graduate and undergraduate programs at DKU.
So the thing about leadership that's important to me is that it provides an opportunity not to make yourself important, but to make your mission important and to take care of your team and to do something that advances things that will benefit society, Duke, our students, our faculty, and the academic mission.